Okay, room tour time. Today we are at the Red Rock Casino in Las Vegas, room 18138. Let me give you a room tour. We just got in. I don't know, it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. First thing I want to point out in this gorgeous, beautiful room is that I think this room at sunset is going to be absolutely stunning. So let's get into the room tour. I'm going to pull back here and show you. We got two queens. This is really cool. These are actually pretty low profile beds. I don't mind that at all, but just a note there for those of you, or I don't know, maybe mobility, things like that. They're pretty low profile, but they're lovely. Let's go right over here to in between the beds. You have a little notepad, and let's go into some charging stuff. Right here, as you can see, plenty of charging options right here at your bedside, and also on the back of this Bluetooth alarm clock. Let's pan around here to the beautiful seating area. Look at this, nice and big. I love this. We requested a canyon view on purpose. You can get the city view that looks over the valley and even the strip in the distance, but my gosh, can you imagine the view at sunset from here? We are also looking down on the pool deck from this room, so I'm just gonna show you. Beautiful pool. I've actually never been to this pool, so we'll be checking out the pool tomorrow, but it's always nice to have a pretty pool view. But this is the view that you want if you stay here, at least in my opinion. First thing I noticed was how beautiful the lighting is in this room. It just complements the whole resort is so beautiful. You have a nice big work desk here. You have a little in-room dining booklet. Here's your fridge, but it is stocked, you know, so we all kind of know the deal there. But I want to point something out about Red Rock. You know, this is a Station Casinos property. This is sort of the top of the line property at Stations. And as usual, you have these things here next to your beautiful glassware and your ice bucket. But here they're gonna list for us the mini bar prices, and they're also gonna list for us, now you can scan and kind of see otherwise, but these are just sort of sitting out for you to see. And one thing I noticed was, at least in my opinion, the prices here aren't insane. For example, like a soda is $4. You know, a small water is $5. Yeah, that's a lot, but it's not terrible. And then up here, if you get one of these, you know, you have one of these cocktails here, they're $20. You know, you can get a few cocktails out of that. So I don't know. I don't find the prices to be really terrible if you are staying here and you want to grab something or have some drinks in your room before or after you head out. So over here's your closet. Nice big closet. And with standard closet things. Here's your safe. You have some hangers, drying rack, and your iron. The bathroom. This door closes here. I'll just leave it open. And here is your beautiful bathroom with double sinks, makeup mirror, massive mirror here. And I love the pretty lighting back there, the soft lighting. Here are all of your shower amenities, soaps, things like that. Another thing I noticed was this mat down here. You also have a hair dryer down here. For the soaking tub, so you have a bath mat here, but I like the rubber mat there. If sometimes you come out of a tub and you're gonna get water all over the place. So I really like that. Look at this beautiful picture. But nice big soaking tub here. So prepare for that if you're coming to stay here. And then here's your shower. Decent size, nice shower, and separate water closet right back here. Of course, your door closes there. That is about it. Oh, just in case, let me just show you, there are more sort of outlets around. I didn't show you over here too. And on the desk, you also have two USB in addition to the other outlets. So I think that is gonna do it for Red Rock. Let's pull back like we always do. Beautiful mountains, beautiful room. I think we're gonna get a good night's sleep here.